Digitization, or the transition to conducting business activities digitally, is often seen as a way to deliver the same products and services in a more efficient way. But how does it affect a firm's ability to engage its stakeholders and create value? In 4 studies, researchers found that people are less likely to attribute human qualities to more digitalized firms, a phenomenon that reduces their willingness to affiliate with, trust, or enact pro-social behavior towards such firms. In essence, stakeholders are less likely to engage in anthropomorphization of digitalized firms or to attribute human-like qualities to them. When a firm becomes more digitalized, perhaps changing from a brick-and-mortar business to an online entity, it is more likely to be perceived in machine-like terms, whereas a less digitalized firm is more likely to be perceived in human-like terms. Many humans anthropomorphize their pets, for example, bonding with them by attaching human qualities to them. A similar process seems to be happening with firms, but significantly less so when firms are more digitalized. One reason for this effect is that people believe digitalization will make it more difficult to enact communal behaviors. Ultimately, this perception creates downstream consequences for their relationship with the firm, keeping them from forming more trusting and cooperative relationships, which is likely to negatively affect the firm's bottom line. Wonder how and why digitalization may affect a firm's ability to create value for its stakeholders? If so, you may want to read this paper.